So this is not a medical related video, so I'm just pushing this way. Ma'am,
Fine,
please,
doctor.
how do you
So
kickstart your day in the
yeah.
morning?
Actually, I sleep with a lot of worries. Like next day, how would I feel next day, and all about my complications and all this and that. So when I get up, what I do is first switch on my mobile, go to Oxyplus reception or doctor's team or whatever their status.
Status.
Yeah, and then there goes my day. You know, I watch all kinds of videos like how people recover,
How they are healing.
heal and recover and all that. So that really helps me a lot, doctor.
Okay, it gives positivity for you.
Yeah, that's enough for that. Start my day.
That starts your day.
Gives me a lot of positivity. Yeah, that cures me in a way.
In a way,
Yeah,
okay. So
that
the
is
main
half
purpose.
kind of, yeah, the main purpose is okay. Then I feel confident. Yeah, I'm in the right hands. I go to the right place. I trust God and I trust my doctor. So that's enough. So
I trust God and I trust
my
doctors.
doctors.
Thank you so much. And more than that, doctor-patient relationship. Now, at times I used to think, what should be the purpose to do videos?
Videos, yes.
So அப்படி
So
பண்றதுனால
this
என்ன
awareness, what you're spreading, makes a lot of difference, doctor. I must say. So just watching your videos, it doesn't like you require. Okay, you come here for the treatment. Watching your videos is half the way through. Like so you come to know. So what all is going on here? So how people are recovering, how people are healing here. So I think that's more than enough. So what you're doing is a great job.
Thank you.
Awareness, spreading awareness is a big thing.
That's very important.
That's a big thing. And that's really commendable. You take time in spite of being so busy and having a busy schedule. You take time. Yeah, you take time to make these videos, make people aware of what Oxyplus really is.
What we are doing to the society.
Yes, what doctors here are doing to the society.
That's the main purpose, ma'am. Initially, when I started YouTube 1.5 years back, I used to think whether this will go or this type of videos will go, because usually doctors
you just started before 2 years? The
Yes,
Instagram videos?
Yes, everything. Recently only I started. I'm not a person of social media.
Social media.
I usually keep myself very... And I was having a
sometimes it makes me think also, how do you people get time to do all that?
You don't believe I work
how do
at
you get
nights.
time to- yes.
If I have 24 hours in a day, I work for 18 hours. So 18 hours, that is a used to me time for me, because I studied in government Kilpak Medical College.
Here in Chennai,
So
okay.
I used to work for 48 hours night duty and the மாதிரிலாம் இருக்கும். So அப்படிலாம் இருந்ததுனால எல்லாமே எனக்கு அடாப்ட் ஆயிடுச்சு. And moreover, hard work is my passion. So and moreover,
no wonder why you are here. How you are here.
எனக்கு பிடிச்சத பண்றதுக்கு நான் டைம் பார்க்க மாட்டேன். And moreover, this is like soul satisfaction. So whatever I'm doing is for out of soul satisfaction, and அது பண்றது மக்களுக்கு போய் சேருதுங்கும்போது
it's a personal question. Yes, but I must ask. I was planning to ask you this from a long time. How did you meet Dr. Sibee? He is a perfect match for you.
Okay. So we both are like
you studied together or
no, it's like he finished his undergraduation from Russia, madam.
Yeah, okay.
So and then he came for internship in Kilpak Medical College, government Kilpak Medical College. At that time I was doing internship in government Kilpak, and both the families are very good friends and relationship. We are relatives actually.
Related. Okay.
So then we came to know, then our family first initiated, and everything fixed up in 15 days. Entire marriage is fixed up, and my post graduation joining dates and my marriage dates are same.
You know, they say marriages are made in heaven. This is a perfect example.
The perfect match.
Oh, this is a perfect example of this. Really.
You know what? I first initially rejected Dr. Sibee. I want to get a PG degree, then only marriage. Then initially I took I made him to wait for 1 year. Then at that time their family, you know what, they were searching for many other alliances. He was very stubborn to get married to me, and then we finally
so he waited.
It's like God's plan. It's nothing in my hands, in our hands.
Obviously
also.
It's all obvious. It's God's plan.
And his work is very silent. You know about him, right? You know about him. He is like something different.
He's a different person altogether. For this world, I think he's very humble. Too kind.
Too kind. And very knowledgeable. Very knowledgeable. I was like attracted towards his knowledge and his wisdom. I want the world to know about his knowledge. That's the purpose of the video. So yareல்லாம் வந்து
Dr. Sibee, apart from all his degrees, and I should see what kind of a person he is, doctor.
That's very important. That's very important, because
that is very what kind of a person.
Anything money we can earn, education we can earn. At the end, the character
Character comes first.
He carries, and the reputation he carries, and at the same time the trust he carries with the people. That's what Oxyplus is finally. So it's because of people like you. I have to thank you, madam, because today I was thinking whether next week I have a plan to shoot my YouTube and Instagram. I was thinking to do contents or not, but this gives me dopamine to run more.
For sure.
Okay, ma'am.
We derive dopamine from you, and I don't know
That's true.
how good we are to you all, but still,
I always
our prayers are always there, doctor.
Thank you
prayers
so
and
much.
good wishes are always there.
You know,
so an institute like Oxyplus should keep running successfully in the same way, and should heal people and recover people.
It will with all your blessings. And I have to say thank you to all the YouTube watchers and Instagram watchers. எங்களோட வியூஸ் வந்து ரொம்ப கம்மியா தான் இருக்கும், பட் எங்களோட வியூஸ் எல்லாமே எமோஷனலா இருக்கும்.
And very emotional, very touching. Very touching.
So இது வந்து என்னன்னா மக்களுக்காக மக்களோட பிரச்சனையை மக்களே எப்படி சால்வ் பண்ணாங்கங்கறத வந்து அவங்க மூலமா சொல்லி தெரிஞ்சுக்கிறது தான் இந்த வீடியோஸோட டேக் ஹோம். அண்ட் மோர் ஓவர் நீங்க எல்லாரும் கேக்குற மாதிரி ஏன் டாக்டர்ஸ் கண்டென்ட் பண்றது இல்லன்னு கேட்பாங்க. We are not content doctors. People will speak for us.
Yes.
So that's the main purpose. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you so much, doctor.